Tyler, the Creator, an American rapper, actor, producer, visual artist, fashion designer, and comedian. If you guys have been following me for the past couple of years, you know that I'm a massive fan of his work. I've dedicated hundreds of hours recreating his music, hundreds of dollars on his merchandise, hundreds of dollars on tickets to attend his shows, and have even traveled nearly 3,000 miles to visit his clothing store on Fairfax in Los Angeles, California. Now, I recently bought the iconic Golf Wang flame button-up shirt that was notoriously seen in the Cherry Bomb album cover. For those who don't know what Cherry Bomb is Tyler, the Creator's third studio album, which also happens to be his most hated album. I'm personally not a massive fan of it, but I do really like some of the songs on the project. Now, with this rare item in hand, I thought I'd have some fun with it and try to accurately recreate the Cherry Bomb album cover while trying to make an educational yet fun to watch video. So the first thing that we need is, of course, proper attire. Without the proper clothing, this photo could easily be mistaken for a boy sitting on a chair. So I grabbed my black loose-fitting pants and my blondie t-shirt and quickly got dressed so that we could start the shoot. Okay, so now I'm gonna try and set up the shot. I got my camera here, I got my lighting here. Probably gonna take this light off actually and get my manual flash so it'll give off a better effect. This was probably taken on a film camera with an external flash, as you guys can see by that little shadow that I casted right behind there. So I'm gonna try and angle the tripod to make it in the exact position where the photographer obviously took it. So after a bunch of trial and error, I thought I got the shot, but turns out I was nowhere near getting the exact shot I wanted. Since my camera was on a tripod which couldn't rotate on its y-axis, I needed to find another tripod which could, because the camera could not pick up my whole body if the tripod was on its x-axis. So I'm gonna have to switch to a different tripod for this camera that can actually rotate on its side. Look at this bad boy. And luckily I had two other tripods that did rotate on its y-axis. Or so I thought. So we got a plan B. This one, as you guys can see, can go on its side. Now all I gotta do is do the old switcheroo with this camera and put it right onto here. And we were soon back in business. Now all we had to do was move in the stool, establish our shot, turn on that timer, and we were good to go. Alright, so we are at the computer now, but first we are definitely going to have a look at the pictures, find the one that we do like, obviously. And now we're gonna look up the Cherry Bomb album cover. Okay, so the first thing I'm obviously going to do is I'm going to color correct this because the shirts are definitely not the same color. Just gonna go open up Camera Raw filter, just gonna go mess around with the blues. Okay, we're close, very close. I think that's good. The shadow is gonna be blue. Yeah, that's good. That's perfect. I can probably do that. It's just green. And I think that looks pretty good. It definitely might be a little too strong on the shadows, but that's what we fix after. Okay, so now that we are done the color grading, we are now going to move on to the drawing part. Basically that little Cherry Bomb sketch that Tyler overlays onto the Cherry Bomb album cover. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new layer. Now I'm going to compare brush sizes, because let's say your brush size is too thick, this will not end up looking the exact way that you want it to look. I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna leave it at 10 and now we can start drawing. So you really just want to outline literally everything that does show your skin. So my arms, my little fingers. And now it's time to do the head. For the head, it's actually kind of different. It's not really the same process, but you're just gonna want to extend it out a little bit just to create a little bit of a circle instead of an oval. And you are going to want to include your hair too. So, let's take that. That's what you do. So right here, you want to extend it. That's how I'm also going to increase that. Now you've actually done that. And of course you want to finish it off by outlining your neck. Okay, and yeah, once you're done that, you can start to fill everything in. This is what it looks like. So all I'm gonna personally do is I'm going to use the magic wand tool, or as Tyler would like to call it, the new magic wand tool. and you're gonna wanna select all the empty spaces. You're gonna right click on it, and then you're gonna click on fill, and you're gonna wanna select a color. I'm literally just doing this from the top of my head. I feel like that's an accurate color. Now we are going to make a new layer. We're now going to outline the facial features of the original Cherry Bomb album cover, and we're basically just gonna trace everything that is on the face, not including the head. And it doesn't have to be exact or like perfect. You can literally just do this like really quickly. Now once we are done that, you're gonna want to take that layer and move it and try and center it in the face. It doesn't have to be exact, and then you're just gonna want to fill it in again with the correct colors. If you guys are still watching, go comment down below what your favorite song off of Cherry Bomb is. Mine is personally 2-seater, and we should be good. I know that might look like trash just because of the Cherry Bomb skin color, but I think it will turn out looking really good. I mean, just that already looks freaking amazing, but I think we got it. Okay, next step. This is just an additional step. You guys don't even have to follow it, but what I am going to do is I'm going to add those Cherry Bomb letters. So I'm just going to select the background of the original image. I'm gonna select the inverse of that selection, layer via copy, delete that, and now I'm going to just erase Tyler completely, inflate that, and move it right there, and we are basically done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share this video with your friends if you found it interesting, and if you are going to try and recreate this, let me know. Alright, see you guys later, and peace.
Subscribe to Zane Burko.